Hey guys, just want to talk to you about these Calico critters. Now, if you don't know what these are actually really cute little figures. There's different ones available. There's rabbits, pandas, different animals. But these are the Husky. This is the Husky family. This is right here, Husky family, La Family Husky. So these are really cute and a lot of detail in these, actually beautiful. And they're for 3 plus, just for, for the age group. So I want to take them out of the box. I want to show you what they look like really up close. There's really a lot of detail in these. Like I said, there's furniture, there's so many things available for this. Each one of these are posable, so the hands move up and down. They have beautiful detail on their clothing. This is the daddy husky, I believe. This is the mummy husky. Top of the dress, it's got a little flower thing in there, like a little brooch. The hands are posable. Their eyes and faces are absolutely adorable with detail. And there are the babies. So this is the whole family, and the 3 kids will fit inside here. They sit inside the little sled, and you can push and pull them around. That's the idea behind the family. So they go picnics, shopping, whatever. They're really absolutely adorable. Look at the children. Aren't they absolutely adorable? Look at them. Look at the detail in their faces and their eyes. Look at the daddy, the detail, the pants, the whole thing, the little stone on the sweater. Look at his face. And then the mummy. There's the detail in the face and the little shawl going around her. I'm not really sure. The nice little dress with the little knitted pattern going around here. Just a lot of detail. And there's a ton of different ones, different critters, and they're absolutely adorable. They have homes and they have houses and they have so much available for the Calico critters. So definitely this is just one of many that are available in the series. Just want to show you what they look like in the detail. And they're small, just to give you an example of size so you know. I think that's kind of important to know. Let me get my ruler. Just so you know, I think it's important to know these things. The average size of the daddy is, let's call him almost 3.5 inches tall. Mummy, about the same. And the kids are around 1.5 inches. That's the size of these. And I would say typical, this is the typical size. You have different ones available, so take a look on your favorite place, wherever, and just see what you like. But just wanted to show you what they look like. Calico critters. Definitely recommend these for great playtime, high quality item, and hours of fun. Thanks for watching the review. Appreciate your time.